So close to you. Hello there. I'm just going to drop this real quick.
Howdy.
How's it going? It's been quite the day, if I'm honest with you.
Yeah, hey,
Uh,
Yeah, be fine. Mostly.
there's a
Just
very...
a few horse incidents.
Yeah, I see. Okay. Okay.
Those are some
I think the chickens
escaping
have
chickens.
escaped.
In the butt.
How are you, though? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. Trouble sleep last night. Pounding.
Hmm.
Hey,
It's good to know.
I don't want to do this anymore.
what's more you got to do?
A few.
When complain about it, just get it done. And it'll be over.
I complain all I want.
Get back to work.
Or what?
I don't want to hear no complaining. What?
You heard me.
Give you a wet willy.
I don't know what it is, and I really don't think I want to know.
Yeah, you better work then. What else around?
Stan was, but we think he may have fell into the outhouse.
Oh no.
Yeah. The worst thing is, though, in Saint Denis, so, he may be in the sewers by now, honestly.
The hell did he flush himself down the toilet?
I really don't know. But we sent him a telegram just in case he ever made it back.
I have plenty of stories to tell us.
Sorry. My ears felt a little blocked there. Um, what was I saying? Yeah, Stan, hopefully is okay and is, well, should be somewhere around Saint Denis at some point, I guess.
Why was he in Saint Denis to begin with?
Uh, well, I had mentioned about all the books that I'm writing, and that he knew where to get bigger books from.
Oh, yep.
So he was kind enough to take us there, although wasn't really something that I think he didn't really want to do. I don't think he thinks very fondly of Anthony.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't. I think once he gets the chance to get the hell out of there, he'll be over here lickety split. So he digs himself out of the sewers. I'm sure he'll be back.
Yeah, I really hope he's able to. Clay was around a lot earlier. He went to the house, and I haven't seen him since.
Oh,
Um, that's really been about it. We went on a train today.
oh yeah,
That was really fun.
nice.
Yeah.
It was Tessa's twin sister who she just, well, it was her first ever actual train ride. So
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna say that she was the conductor. I didn't expect that.
yeah, she was.
Oh, Oh, I thought you meant
Yeah.
train ride as in she'd never been on a train before, but she actually drove the train.
She is the
Yeah.
conductor, yeah.
Oh, all right,
Yeah.
fantastic.
And we had no idea that it was, well, one, her at first, obviously. But two, that it was her very first passenger train as a fully fledged conductor. So that was even more fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Congratulations to Claire.
Yeah, she did a really great job, actually.
Got it.
Hallo sehr.
How are you?
How you doing today?
How are you all doing?
Doing okay?
Good. Sorry, I'm here to sell some lemons. If that offer is still on the table.
Yes, yes. Absolutely. I've been waiting.
I'll let y'all do it.
Sorry, I got held up by well, it doesn't matter.
Oh, don't you worry about it. Um, you might have to take the money out of my pocket. I have a very sticky bills today.
Oh, that's quite alright.
Unless you can see this.
No.
And I think the Pavi have
God dang it.
back down there
Sorry.
today.
In my pockets, that's
Say
easy.
what?
I think the Pavi have been down there today.
They have not been down there, or they have been?
They have.
Oh, okay, all right.
There you go.
That's good.
Just trying to think of all the people I've seen today. It's just been
Whole
a
lot of,
lot.
That's so
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
When I read that, you
Good
are
as long as they ain't gangs.
vegan and everything, I figured
No.
terrorist might help. And that's
That
no idea
some
that I could
two
spare
nice
this.
ladies came and brought the sheep
Thinking about
back who had
and needing
wandered
to,
out into
buy
the
things for myself as well.
valley.
Wow, that's really nice of them. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, these sheep, they love to wander.
Yeah, we did tell them that. But that we were really thankful for
Or at least a little
them
bit.
returning the sheep.
Yeah,
We were
absolutely.
like, yeah, we just didn't really want it hurt. They're really sweet.
Yeah. I've pretty much given up on the sheep. They can just go ahead and do whatever the hell they want because they're just going to do it anyway.
Exactly. I did mention that to them, and they were like, well, that explains why there's two more other sheep down there and lots of chickens.
Yep, yep, yep. Damn things just whatever they please.
Yeah. Or anything like the free rangers and strawberry, then, well, yeah.
Nice thing is they do make their way back to the pit eventually. It's just they need their outset.
Mm,
Alright, and stay
makes
safe, please.
sense.
Earlier today.
Oh, yeah, there was apparently an incident.
Oh, kind of kind.
Well, me and Annalise went to
See you
Blackwater
and
and
be
we were on
safe.
our way back via Strawberry. And, Annalise thought that she heard some voices saying, well, did you hear what they said when when you heard them out in the forest area there?
Nope, I could only hear that there was something. And I'm almost sure those might have been the people that the deputies were looking for.
Yeah. Because then when we got here and we tried looking, because I was worried that it may be people that needed help, that the deputies practically rode up as I was climbing the roof. And they said, oh, just be aware that there was a bit of a shootout. And they were still looking for two people, so. But apparently it happened just out, not on the ranch, but just
The
close
other
by.
side of the big house.
I think so, around there. That's what they had mentioned. Or at least Mallory did, anyway.
It is too.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah,
really sure why.
I don't know. Yeah, actually,
No idea.
Me either. Oh. Actually,
Oh?
I'm not sure. That could be Sam and Odrin. Not sure.
No idea who that is.
They were here before. They're nice folk.
Hallo sehr.
I'd have had it. Oh,
Hallo
Doing
sehr.
you alright?
Oh, hello there.
how you doing today?
Are you? What are you guys? Are you guys the proprietors of this branch? I don't know what the word is.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it owner? Is it proprietor? What is it?
We're ranch hands. We work here on
Yeah.
on Pronghorn.
Oh, okay. I did not know if you were like a person that owns this place or not.
No,
Oh no, by no means.
That would be Thomas Callahan, and he is not around. I don't know, but he's not here right now.
Oh,
Looking
But
for
in-
someone called Freddy.
but have you seen him?
Freddy, why does that sound familiar?
He works there sometimes. He told us to meet him up here.
Don't think I've ever met anybody called Freddy.
He just went that way towards a bank. I suppose he might be heading to Blackwater.
Yep.
That makes sense.
He just brought me some lemons.
Oh, how wonderful! Are you making lemonade? Or are you making like pie?
Oh, I'm making lemonade.
Makes the
Oh.
best lemonade.
Oh, I wouldn't say the best.
It is fantastic.
Do you sell it, perhaps?
I'd love to try some.
I do. Unfortunately, I don't have any sugar with me. I forgot to get
Oh.
some. But
That is fine.
I could head to Strawberry real quick and make some lemonade. That would be no issue.
Oh no, it's just that I was, if you had some on you, I would buy some from you. But if you're trying to meet Freddy for a meeting, so thank you for your advice, and we'll maybe go see him in Blackwater.
All right.
All right then. I can be found a lot of times here, and I also manage the general store in Blackwater. So if you need my telegram or anything, you can find it there as well. And I do take orders, so you know.
What kind of other things do you make? Do you just do lemonade, or you do like like brownies or anything like this?
Oh, I actually do make brownies. I am trying to get some more eggs so I can make some. I have 1.5 crates full of flour to make brownies with, and perhaps some other things. I've recently dipped my toes, so to speak. Not literally, don't worry.
Well, I never mind. I was going to say something untoward. Sorry, I am from Saint Denis. You know our mouse. We are, a different breed over there.
Oh, please, I used to live there, and I
Oh.
know a lot around, ranch hands. So I've heard all sorts of things. Don't you worry.
Well, I was going to say there is a market for that, though.
I think you're not wrong. But no, it's not. It's not literally. But I started to dip my toes into some carrot cake making and banana
Oh.
bread making as well.
I do like
I
to
hear
know
the
that.
foot fungus is what makes the carrot cake taste real good.
Oh
Oh.
no!
Oh
I
no.
It's like the
Miss-
butter, when you heat it up with butter.
oh
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
oh Lord, no!
It's
oh,
a little like
oh
it's a
God,
little
oh
like the
God.
yeast that helps it rise.
Oh, Mr. Rooster, I
well.
hate you so much.
I
but,
would go now. I will see you later.
But there are other things I do offer as well. If you need a list, there's a list in Blackwater if you're heading there.
Oh,
In the
wonderful.
general store.
I will definitely
the
look. Thank you.
Freddy headed there. That way?
I think so. As I've told him, the Valentine Bank was robbed earlier today, and he wanted to go to a bank, and I suppose that's the closest.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. You are very helpful.
No problem at all.
And you normally are around here and in Blackwater, right?
Miss Emily?
What was that again?
Are you
Pardon?
normally around here in Blackwater? Is that where you're
Yes,
normal?
mostly.
Okay. Wonderful. Thank you. It's wonderful to see. Thank you. You guys are very. It has been a hard
Thank you.
day. It has been a hard day, so thank you for your kindness.
All right, no problem at all. Safe travels to you.
Be
Yeah, you
safe.
too, Rooster.
Just say my name.
He might have. Why?
I don't know that. I don't recognize that man.
Well, I said your name earlier.
Did you? I didn't even.
I did. I said, Mr. Rooster, I hate you.
Oh, that's right. Okay, that's all right. Got nerve.
I wonder what they wanted with them. I didn't realize that man's name was Freddy.
It is.
I know that he's been around before, and I just couldn't place him. I didn't know that was him.
Well, I know because I've sent telegrams back and forth with him.
Oh, all right. You don't mind me asking for what? For
Lemons.
orders and things. Okay, yeah. Fair.
And I've tried to help him get closer to his wagon.
Get closer to his wagon.
Buying a wagon.
Oh, right. Gotcha. Funny wise.
Yes. It's the least I can do for someone who's kind, and also it's not like people haven't helped me before a lot.
Passing it on.
Exactly. Do you want to come over to the chickens? They need to be fed. I hear horses. Or cows.
I've been wild horses. Oh, yeah, it was wild horses. I see one over the left of the barn.
Yeah, with horses you never know. You know, today a horse came up to me. We were standing over there by the fence, Miss Guy and I, and then a horse just came up to us, kicked me, and ran away.
Oh, what a dick. Jesus.
There was really
Those
no
are
need for it
chickens.
either.
Oh, yeah, just unnecessary violence.
No, it's really vicious.
Or if you just excuse me for a moment, I'm gonna go ahead and go in deep into my thoughts. I'll be right with you.
Okay.
Do the thing. Gotta do the thing where I toss it over and then I jump over after it. Oh. I learned from the best. Does you. I mean, you're pretty good.
I think I might head to sleep.
Oh, all right then. Hold on.
No, don't put. Oh, okay. Thank you for today.
Thank you. I hope you are able to get some rest and sleep well.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. If I don't, you may see me.
All right then.
Okay. Rooster's just thinking about some things, so
I will let him know.
okay.
Um,
Thank you.
no, again, thank you, and rest well if you can.
Mhm.
If you need anything, you have my telegram number, right?
Mhm.
Just send me a telegram and or come knocking at my door. I will most likely be staying at the guest room again.
Okay. Okay. Oh well. If I don't, I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Okay. Good night.
Good night. Hello there.
Rooster.
He is thinking right now really hard.
Miss Annalise, is any other people from your ranch around?
I don't think so.
Well, it was just like... There was just some massive hostage situation at Riggs Station. 10 people being held hostage in the middle of the road. People were being broken free from some prison transport, I think. Right.
That is,
I just wanted to come warn the ranch in case they came this way. Because that's pretty nearby.
well, thank you so much for letting us know.
They just made their escape, so...
We know there was an incident earlier already around the ranch with some deputies and some ne'er-do-wellers.
Yeah, I couldn't really see who it was. There was tons and tons of people.
Yeah, maybe I should just finish this up and then we should head out.
Yeah, you should probably do that, and so should the rest of your people, I imagine.
Yeah, there's no one else around really, I don't think. But I will let everyone know. Thank you so much for warning us. Today does not stop, does it?
I guess not.
You know, I've been kicked by plenty of horses today and flew off of my horse. I am so done. I'm ready to go to bed, but...
Well, that's not too bad.
Yes,
Could be
I
worse.
suppose so. But thank you so much again. I will let everyone know, and especially Mr. Rooster once he is back in our
Alright.
realm, I suppose. Be safe. Are you there? Mr. Rooster? I guess not. Mr. Rooster? Mr. Rooster, are you there? Mr. Rooster.
Yes.
As soon as I'm done with the chickens, we should either head to bed or go away. We were just informed that there was a very big hostage situation at Rick Station, and apparently they, rode away and everything, and it's close by, so just so you know.
Okay, yeah, finish up and we'll figure something out. Do the other two that are here know about that?
I think one of them has just been informed, and the other one is still running around doing some chores, I suppose, probably finishing up as well.
Yeah, I think, yeah, okay. All right, sounds good.
I think I might be heading to bed after this. I've been awake for a long time today.
That's fair enough.
And I think I've been kicked by enough horses.
Yep. Hit your quota for today, that's enough.
Yeah.
Like your business is going pretty damn well, isn't it?
I suppose so. I guess.
Yeah. You got all sorts of people looking for brownies and aid and general store. Good stuff.
Yeah, I. Good, I guess it's really not a bad thing, is it?
Not at all.
Should I tell Miss Lucille about.
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah, I will be right back then.
Yep.
All right, Miss Lucille knows about everything too, and I suppose I will be heading to bed now.
Righty, well, you sleep well, and but those other people already know. Anyway, yeah, you sleep well,
I think so.
and I will probably see you tomorrow.
Yes, probably I will see you tomorrow then, and oh Lord, I hope I can even lay in bed with all those bruises.
Oh, those what?
Bruises.
Oh,
I'm bruised from
bruises.
head to toe, pretty much.
Lord.
I'm just done with today.
Yeah, well, try and rest as best you can. See?
And you stay safe.
All
Good
right.
night.
Good night, you too.